welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is deneatreslatreec. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel, you can expect to see weekly vlogs, day in the lives, get ready with me, a little bit of cleaning, wig reviews, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So y'all already know what's about to come at you. Y'all seen that thumbnail. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. And they sent your girl over this gorgeous and beautiful unit, honey. Like, honey, it is drop dead gorgeous. So let me show you how it looks on the site. And this is it right here. This is what I got. I mean, what else can you say? It is so gorgeous. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is a gorgeous 5x5 lace glueless loose wave wig. The length I have on is 16 inches. It's 100% human hair and 180% density, honey. Like, honey, this is full. You don't see no thinness here. Okay, the color is natural black and you do have a natural pre-plucked hairline. Yes, it can be dyed and it does have adjustable strap. The circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches and the lace is a Swiss lace, and like I said, the lace parting area is a 5x5. So honey, this is a must-have to get. Like, honey, you can't tell me nothing right now. Okay, this is perfect to wear to work, to church, date night, anywhere you want to run some errands, you can do that. And the best part about this unit, honey, is that it's glueless. Okay, look, glueless, honey, glueless. Okay. There is not much to do to this unit. Take it out of the box, cut the lace and curl it how you want it, and honey, she got you. Okay, she got you. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, you can't tell me nothing. So if you are interested in seeing just how I styled it to get it to look just like the picture that's on the website, stay tuned. What's up, everyone? So we're about to put this gorgeousness right here on. This came this is right out the box. On the thing that I did was cut the lace and put a little powder and on the lace as well. Other than that, that's it. This is how it looks coming right out of the box, just like this. I'm not getting any tangles or any shedding at all. No shedding at all, and no tangles as well. So let's pop this on. You see how easy it was to put this on? Like, yes, honey, quick and easy. Let me secure this. This unit is clips are placed differently. They place more towards the back than on the side, but this unit does fit good. So it is big head friendly, y'all. It's big head friendly. So this is her, y'all. This is her. She is cute, coming right out of the box. Like, she cute already. really cute. I'm liking her so far, and we haven't even did nothing to this unit. What I'm gonna do, because I want this to look just like the picture, we're gonna do a little curling to it so we can get it to that look, and let's do it. Y'all, this unit is amazing. It looks so natural, like, honey, yes, it looks so amazing. The curls took really good. You got that loose wavy look and it looks amazing. When I tell you it looks amazing, and it is glueless, y'all. Glueless, y'all. Glueless. Y'all see this? Glueless. Glueless, honey. Yes. This is amazing. This is so amazing, y'all. Yeah. A cute everyday look. I mean, you can wear this to work, church, date night, anywhere you want to go with this unit. This unit got you. This is one amazing unit. So let me show you the back. Yes, honey. Yes. So cute. So adorable. It's a must-have type of unit. This is a must-have type of unit. You need this in your wig rotation, honey. She is amazing. Amazing unit. Like, she feels so soft, so good. I'm not getting any tangles. The curls held up nice. Like, they're not tight. The curls held up nice. It's giving me the loose wavy look that I was going for. This is one great and fabulous unit, and there you have it. I would like to thank LUV ME Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in getting this cutie, head on over into my description box below so you can order. And you know I got you. You know it's a coupon code down below as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.